warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are always in the best condition, always happy and healthy. Well, if I ask you, how are you today? Please answer me, I'm great, I'm smart, I'll be successful. Yes, yes, yes. Okay? Well, how are you today, students? I'm great, I'm smart, I'll be successful. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Well, thank you very much for joining my programs. Today, let us start our lesson by pray to God. Pray, please. Enough? Thank you very much. Well, students, are you ready now? Oke, baiklah anak-anak, kalian sudah siap? Don't forget to prepare your notebook, your pen, and also your packet book. Siapkan buku pelajaran kalian, buku catatan. Apabila perlu, nanti kalian perlu membuat catatan. Hari ini kita akan belajar topik describing animals dengan kompetensi dasar pengetahuan, yaitu membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks deskriptif lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait dengan deskripsi orang, binatang, dan benda, yaitu pada teks yang sangat pendek dan sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Anak-anakku sekalian, last meeting you have learned about how to describe people and things. Kemarin kalian sudah mempelajari bagaimana mendeskripsikan orang dan barang-barang atau benda-benda kesayangan kalian. For today, we are going to try to describe animals. Baiklah anak-anak, untuk hari ini kita hanya akan mempelajari vocabularies atau kosakata yang berkaitan dengan binatang. Untuk itu, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah kalian dapat mengidentifikasi nama-nama binatang, bagian-bagian tubuh binatang, dan juga menggunakan noun phrase yang terkait dengan binatang. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you have a pet? Kalian punya binatang kesayangan? Well, maybe some of you have a pet. What pet do you usually have? Okay? Lucy, what do you have? Oh, cat. Good. And you, Donnie? You have a dog, right? That's very good. Is there any others? Fish, right? And there are so many animals that can be your pet. Well, if you become an animal, imagine that if you become an animal, what do you want to be? Oh, a lion? Great. Why do you want to be a lion? Because lion is a strong animal, right? It is a powerful animal. All right. What else? What do you want to be? A butterfly. Good. Why do you want to be a butterfly? Oh, that's right. Because butterfly is a very beautiful animal. So you can fly over some beautiful flowers and get honey. Yummy. Okay, great. Well, students, today we are going to learn about kind of animals. Do you know these animals? Well, I show you some animals. The first one. What is it? Bird, right? There are so many kinds of birds. Do you know the name of the birds? It's a dove, right? Very good. And then next, what is it? Oh, it's very familiar. That's right. It's a lion. What is it? It's a lion. Good. And then next, what are they? I ask you, are they? Because there are some of the animals. Well, that's good. They are elephants. Okay, great. And then this one, what is it? It's a kangaroo, right? Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, there is a baby on her. What is it called? Kantong. Pouch, right? Yeah. The kangaroo always brings her baby in a pouch. Yeah, good. Yeah. Next, what is it? What are they? They are horses, right? Yeah. Do you like horses? Yeah, horses used to be a means of transportation long times ago. Yeah. Okay. And then what else? It's a Donnie's pet. Yeah. A dog's, right? What about this one? What is it? What are they? There are two animals. What are they? They are cows, right? They are cows. What can you get from a cow? Milk, right? Do you like drinking milk? Always, of course, that is a very good food for you. Yeah, it is a healthy food. Every day you have to drink milk. And what is it? It seems like have lots of spikes. You know spikes? Spikes itu paku ya, kayak ada pakunya banyak. What is it? That's right. In bahasa Indonesia you say it landak ya. It is called porcupine. Can you repeat once again? Porcupines. Very good ya. And then the next one, what is it? It's a duck, right? It's a duck ya. It's a duck. This one? Cock? Oh no, it's not a cock because it is a female one. Yeah, you call it hen. Yeah. When it is a male, ya kalau jantan, kamu menyebutnya cock. Tapi kalau betina namanya apa? Hen. Kalau anaknya chicken, right? Ya, chicken. Okay. Next, this one. What is it? Oh, the king of the jungle. Ya, rajanya hutan. A tiger. Yeah, they are tigers. And this one? Oh, it's very cute. Do you have this pet? It is a cat. Everyone knows a cat. Yeah, I think that's some of the example of the animals that you can find around you. Now, it's your task. I want you to do this task, yeah, to fill in the blank of the tables to classify which animals belongs to farm animals, pet animals, and wild animals. Ya, anak-anakku sekalian, saatnya sekarang kalian terlatih mengisi tabel untuk mengklasifikasikan baik dari binatang yang tadi sudah Ibu tayangkan atau kamu juga bisa menemukan binatang di luar yang tadi sudah Ibu sampaikan. Mana yang termasuk farm animals, binatang pertanian yang biasanya untuk ternak. And then pet animals, binatang kesayangan. And which one is wild animals? Mana yang termasuk binatang buas. Yeah. Okay, I give you, is it 10 minutes enough for you? Okay, 10 minutes to fill in the blanks. Well, student, have you finished classifying the animals? Okay, I want to check your result. Who got the names of animals which belongs to the farm animals? Okay, you? That's right. Cows. What else? Goat, right. Buffalo, right. Duck. Hen. Okay, very good, yeah. And then which animals belongs to pet animals? Right, cat, dog. Oh, white mouse? It can be, yeah. Or what is it? Squirrel? Maybe some of you also have squirrel as a pet, yeah. You know squirrel? Yang lainnya tahu squirrel? Yang suka di kelapa? Yang suka makan kelapa? Tupai, that's right ya, itu juga lucu ya. Kadang-kadang juga ada yang menjadikannya sebagai pet animals, right? And now, which animals belongs to wild animals? Wild animals itu binatang yang jarang dipelihara ya, dia liar di alam terbuka ya. For example, lions, tiger, okay, bear ya. What else? Oh, orangutan, it can be also a wild animals. Right. Well, students, after you know the names of animals, now remember our purpose. Ya, tujuan kita apa? Di akhir nanti mendeskripsikan binatang. Nah, untuk bisa menjelaskan, mendeskripsikan binatang, tentunya kalian harus mengenal bagian-bagian dari tubuh binatang. Now, let's check this one, ya. Parts of animal's body. In an elephant, di seekor gajah, yang paling menonjol bagian yang beda dengan yang lain apa? Belalai, that's right. How do you say it in English? It's a trunk. Can you repeat once again? Trunk, right. Beside trunk, ada lagi apa? Gading ya? What is it? Tusk or ivory. Okay. And then in lions, tigers, cats, they usually have mustache. Ya. Kalau di orang namanya kumis ya, mustache. Kalau mereka namanya apa? Whiskers ya. What is it? Repeat once again. Whiskers ya. Okay, and then some animals also have something which is long here. What is it called? It's a tail, right? Yeah, and then there's something on their head. What do you call it? They are horns, ya, atau apa? Tanduk ya, horns, ya. Okay, and some animals also have shell, ya. Tahu shell apa shell? Ya, for example, in a snail ya, di apa tuh snail? Siput ya, snail, and then they have shell as their home ya, rumahnya itu ya namanya shell ya. And on fish body sometimes covered by scales ya, scales itu sisik ya. Okay. And then some animal also have, what is it? Claw, ya, claw, ya. Telapaknya itu kalau pada harimau, kucing itu namanya paw, ya, paw, ya. And then some birds, ya, they have something to fly. What are they? They are wings. Right, yeah, they are wings. Yeah, here are some parts of animal body. Yeah, you can find out more from the pictures, and also you can search in a searching engine or Google. Yeah, you can find out many more. Yeah, please write on your notebook some parts of animal's body. Well. Okay, students, have you finished writing note? Alright, now we are going to continue our lesson. To describe an animal, of course, you have to know some adjective, which modifiers parts of animal's body to describe their appearance, characteristics, or something like that. Ya, jadi untuk mendeskripsikan seekor binatang, kalian harus mengenal beberapa kata sifat yang menjelaskan tentang bagian-bagian tubuh binatang. Oleh karena itu, sekarang kita akan belajar noun phrase, frase benda yang terdiri dari kata sifat yang menerangkan sebuah benda. Misalnya bendanya adalah bagian-bagian tubuh binatang dalam hal ini. Oke, for example, long tail. Ekor yang panjang. Sharp jaw. What is jaw? Ya, gigi taring itu ya, jauh. Sharp, jauh. Jadi taring yang tajam. Soft fur. Can you say soft fur? Bulu yang lembut. Rough skin. For example, in a rhinoceros ya, badak ya, itu kan punya rough skin, kulit yang kasar ya. Wide wings. Curved beak. Apa itu curved beak? Paruh yang bengkok ya. And then webbed foot. Webbed foot itu adalah kaki yang berselaput. Misalnya kaki pada katak, pada itik, itu namanya webbed foot. Long whiskers tadi ya, whiskers ingat ya, kumis ya, kumis yang panjang. And then hard shell, small eyes, and so on. Okay, do you understand? Now I want you to find some adjectives which can modifiers parts of animal's body, and then please write down on your notebook the noun phrase, yeah, adjective plus noun, like the example I given to you. Okay, students, I think we have learned more today. Yeah, kita sudah belajar lebih banyak lagi hari ini about some vocabularies relates to the kinds of animals, parts of animals body, and some adjective relates to the animals. Ya, jangan lupa tugas-tugas kalian tadi, ya. Kalian unggah di Google Classroom yang sudah Ibu kirim petunjuk tugasnya di Google Classroom kalian ya. Baiklah anak-anakku, apa yang sudah kamu dapat hari ini nantinya akan kalian pakai minggu depan untuk kita praktek mendeskripsikan binatang ya, terutama binatang-binatang kesayangan atau yang ada di sekitar kita. Ya, tentunya setelah kalian mengenal kosakatanya, mengetahui bentuk kalimatnya sama seperti yang dipakai pada saat kalian membuat deskripsi tentang orang atau benda, itu bentuk kalimatnya ya. Hanya kosakatanya yang berkaitan dengan binatang. Oke? Kita ketemu lagi next time. Thanks for joining and for your attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.